सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. Today's subject for Satsang: Awaken your Kundalini. As you are all aware, I am talking about different states of consciousness in the Siddha Tradition. Awakening your Kundalini Shakti. Again, the problem is there are some subjects in which I can only do, then talk. Kundalini is your inner potential energy, which can be awakened by raising the state of consciousness. When you raise your state of consciousness by the right ideas, I can give you a simple technique, just witnessing whatever state you are in. Whether you are in waking, dreaming, dreaming, waking, waking, sleeping, sleeping, waking. Awareness, consciousness, conscious awareness, or waking, dreaming, waking, sleeping, waking, waking, or dreaming, 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 sleeping, dreaming, waking, any state. It's like a rhythm, rhyme. Whatever state you may be, start witnessing. Let the witnessing penetrate more and more in all states of consciousness you play with, you play in. Please understand. Let the witnessing penetrate more and more in all states of consciousness continuously. You are in, that is the only way you can straight away raise the state of consciousness. Today I will speak on the states which you need to encourage. The states you need to encourage are all green marked, like waking, waking, dreaming, waking, sleeping, waking, and awareness waking. Of course, conscious waking. And awareness awareness dreaming, awareness sleeping, awareness, and awareness consciousness. And same way, conscious waking, conscious sleeping, conscious dreaming, conscious awareness, and conscious consciousness. And waking awareness, dreaming awareness, sleeping awareness. I think the table is here. I am just reading out from here. Awareness, and waking consciousness, dreaming consciousness, sleeping consciousness, awareness consciousness. All these states are supposed to be encouraged. How to encourage? I will give you the master key today for encouraging. Then slowly, step by step, I will explain in a much detailed way. The master key for encouraging all the states which need to be encouraged in you is witnessing. Witness whatever is happening in you. Continuously witness whatever is happening in you. You will raise yourself to the higher and higher and higher states of consciousness. Instead of giving too much words, I'll leave you today with this one master key. Witnessing. So that you can work on it. You can experience it. Then I'll add more technical knowledge and techniques to you in further sessions. I bless you all. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express and radiate the eternal bliss, Nithyananda. Thank you.
All that I smell, I offer to you, Swami Nithyananda. All that I see, all that I hear, I offer to you, Swami Nithyananda. Like this dance, and this song, and this joy, I surrender.